Hi Sierra, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. So I love your curly hair. I am noticing a little bit of dryness. What are your challenges with curly hair?
Definitely dryness and frizziness.
I have the perfect product for you. Have you ever heard of True Botanicals?
Yeah, I have, but I thought they just did skincare.
So they just came out with a hair cream oil that I am so excited to share with you. I'm gonna show you how to apply the hair cream oil to your everyday routine.
Let's do it.
This will be a great primer and base for your hair. Our hair dried a little bit, so what I'm gonna do is re-wet. It's important to start with wet hair so you already have some of the moisture. What happens with curly hair, it tends to be dry because your natural oils, they don't really get to the ends because it has to go around the curl. And what happens is by the time your natural oils hit the ends of your hair, 9 times out of 10 you wash it and you dry your hair out. So that's why curly hair tends to be drier. What you wanna do is take about a quarter size amount and really rub it in your hand and start at the bottom and really work your way through to the root. Applying it. You can be generous. I personally like a non-alcoholic gel because it won't dry the hair out. But you can mix it, or you can use it alone. And you just want to go section by section and literally work it through from the ends up to really hydrate, condition, and nourish. You could already see the difference as opposed to here with the frizz and here where it's really hydrated and conditioned and tamed. So what I did is I applied about a quarter size amount section by section. We started at the ends and worked our way to the root. You can either let it air dry or diffuse it, but you don't really want to move the curls. You just want it to set first. And then after it's dry, you could take a cool blow dryer and just circle around to give that big, beautiful, effortless, tousled, curly hair. Another reason why I love, and you are gonna love this True Botanicals hair cream oil, is that it is Made Safe certified, which means it's sustainable and clean, which has no alcohol that will not dry out your curls, which will give it that luscious, hydrated, moisturized, yummy look. I also really love using this as a base because especially for curly hair, it serves as a heat protector. Once I felt that it was dry and had the curls formed in the shape, I went in with the cool air and just to separate the curls and give it that shape, to give it that wild, sexy, tousled, natural curly hair. Because when you have curly hair, it's not meant to be ordinary. It's supposed to be big and messy and sexy and all those things. So that's what I did with the cool air, is I was just kind of separating the curl and giving that shape. Oh my God, Sierra, I love the way your hair looks. If I could have this is the hair that I want. Hashtag goals. This is it right here. How do you like it?
I love it so much. It's so beautiful.
Doesn't it feel really soft too?
It does, yeah.
And hydrated? Doesn't feel like, and it doesn't feel like crunchy or...
No, not at all.
Right. It's this is a great look. You're gonna love this product.